Convert roughly between metric and imperial units. Pause the video and have a go at example 6, A, B, C and D. To convert roughly between metric and imperial units, there are many approximations. You would be expected to know the two below. Other conversions would be given in the question. So you should know that a kilogram is about 2.2 pounds and 5 miles is about 8 kilometers, or 8 kilometers is 5 miles. We'll use those to help us with these questions. We've got to write the first unit approximately in terms of the unit in brackets. So 20 kilograms, how many pounds is that? Well, there's 2.2 pounds in a kilogram. So 20 kilograms would be 20 times 2.2. And well, 20 times 2 is 40. 20 times 0.2 would be 4. So we'd end up with 44 pounds. 30 miles into kilometers. Well, we know that 5 miles is 8 kilometers, so it would be good to see how many times 5 goes into 60. So, 5 goes into 30. 30 divided by 5 gives you 6. And then each of those 5 miles is worth 8 kilometers, so if you've got 6 of those, that would be 6 eighths. So 6 eighths is 48 kilometers. Okay, another way to think of that when you're doing it maybe is that you've got 8 kilometers is approximately equal to, so I'll put a little or here, 8 kilometers is approximately equal to 5 miles. If you've got 30 miles, 30 miles, then you can see that you've got 6 times bigger number, or the length is 6 times longer. So you'd have to multiply both sides by 6. So 6 eighths are 48. So if you prefer to do it like that, like proportion ratio, that works, that's fine. You are in effect still doing that, it's just a different way to write it. Okay, for part C and D, you're given actually some approximations to help you. So in part C, we need to change 4 meters into feet, but we know that 1 meter is approximately 39 inches. So how's that going to help us? Well, we can get it all into inches to begin. 1 meter is 39 inches, so 4 meters would be 39 times by 4. 9 fours are 36. 3 fours are 12, plus the 3 is 15. So we've got 156 inches, approximately. How do we get that into feet? Well, we need to remember how many inches make a foot. Think of your subway, your foot long. A foot long is 12 inches. So we need to get 156 and divide it by 12. 12 doesn't go into 1, so we carry the 1 over. 12 goes into 15 once, and 3 left over, and 12 goes into 36 3 times. So we end up with 13. So our final answer would be 13 feet. Part D, we've got 6 inches, we need to change that into centimeters. And we know that 1 inch is approximately 2.5 centimeters. So 6 inches would be 6 2.5s. Do it in the calculator, maybe you won't do it on the side. 6 times 5 is 30. Put down your decimal point. 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 3 is 15. So your final answer would be 15 centimeters.